I'm Tyler with Microsoft. If you're in the market for a brand new personal computer, you might be interested in knowing a little bit more about Microsoft Surface. Simply put, Surface is the very best of Microsoft. Every Surface device has shared DNA. Bright and beautiful touchscreens and unparalleled style and craftsmanship are just a few of the great features found on every Surface device. In this video, we're going to introduce you to the Surface Pro 7. The Surface Pro is the device that started it all. With its lightweight, versatile, and iconic design, the Surface Pro is what many customers think of when they hear the name Surface. Let's take a look. The Surface Pro 7, like previous Surface models, adapts to you by transforming from a laptop to a tablet to a full creative studio. Let's take a moment to review each of these unique modes. In laptop mode, open the adjustable kickstand and add a premium Alcantara type cover for the full laptop experience. In studio mode, adjust the kickstand for a perfect 15-degree writing and drawing angle with the optional Surface Pen. Lastly, in tablet mode, remove the type cover, close the kickstand for a powerful standalone Intel tablet. The Surface Pro 7 has standout design that won't weigh you down. In fact, it starts at just 1.7 pounds, which is ideal for customers whose busy lifestyle keeps them on the go constantly. Personalize Surface Pro 7 with a choice of two classic colors, platinum or matte black. Make it a full laptop experience by adding a rich, warm Alcantara type cover or a Surface Arc mouse, all available in a fresh choice of coordinating colors like poppy red and ice blue. In all, the Surface Pro 7 is a powerful next-generation premium laptop with the versatility of a tablet, so you can write, touch, draw, play, and work more naturally. We think you're going to love it.